Hello, it's Rob here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Lexus CT 200h. It's a hybrid. It has 33,000 kilometers on it, and the price is $22,888 plus HST and licensing. It has a car-proof history right here, which is absolutely clean. There is no claims, no accidents, no damages. The vehicle comes fully certified with 2 sets of tires. The all seasons are on it right now, and it comes with the winter tires as well. So it's a silver on black interior. Let's check the. Here we go. It's at 33,888 kilometers on it. Has a climate control, has a heated seats, which is awesome. It works, and there is a radio as well. Of course, it has a power windows, cruise control, has a Bluetooth as well, and a keyless entry. You can keep your keys in your pocket and be able to lock it and unlock it. So you gotta grab it. So it's a hatchback, pretty roomy vehicle. The floor mats are here. So if you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Or you can just come in to take a look and check the vehicle in person. Again, very low mileage on it. Thank you.